Smile. I'm making this video because I want to be very transparent about the things that I do not participate in when it comes to wash and goes, because I do share my hair journey on my channel. So in this picture, what you're seeing is my hair blown out in my ends. This is from November 2021. And so I got my hair blown out because I was about to do some color. And so I took this picture. It was like my before picture, right? So when I went back and looked at it, I realized like my ends looked horrible. They looked horrible. I had split ends, and at this time I was having a really hard time with my wash and go. I kept getting small knots. It was webby. It was very hard to get through. I thought I was doing something wrong. Okay. I really thought I was doing something wrong. And so I contacted my curly specialist, just like, hey, my ends look pretty bad. And she was saying that since I wear my hair in a curly style, the ends really don't matter, as long as the hair is healthy. So I'm thinking that my hair is healthy. Maybe I'm just being too rough, I'm being too hard. And so I didn't listen to my hair. As clearly as you can see in this picture. So now this is what the style looked like after the color. My curls look beautiful. It looks full. You could not tell me that my hair was not healthy and hydrated. And I knew weekly I was washing my hair, conditioning my hair, detangling my hair. Like I was doing all the things. So it definitely wasn't the products. I love the products. I continue to use the products. It wasn't that at all. I was doing the detangling. I was being as gentle as I can. But again, I was struggling to detangle my hair. My hair at the ends felt really rough. It didn't feel very good. But again, the pictures look nice, right? Look at these pictures. You couldn't tell me anything. The pictures look nice. It looks full. My hair's past my ear. I'm loving it, okay? So the issue with that is I was about to go into braids. I blew my hair out. And these are the braids that I did on myself, right? They look good. They look good. They look great. But my mother saw my hair and she was like, "No, Tammy, you need to cut your ends." So she ended up cutting my ends before I went into this braid style. So I'm going to show you what my hair looked like after she cut the ends. So yes, this was just a little washout, that purple, but I had to cut a good bit of my hair, like a lot of hair. And if you see in this picture, my hair is no longer past my ears. It is no longer that long because I lost a lot of hair. So I say all that to say this. After that experience and after my mother cut my ends, I stopped getting curly cuts. I may do the taper cuts where I maintain my shape, but I stopped doing curly cuts. So every 3 months, I do blow my hair out. I have my ends cut by my mother. I can go to a stylist, but I wasn't seeing a lot of curly stylists that will blow the hair out and cut the ends, right? They only did the curly cuts, and I knew that did not work for my hair. Again, I posted the picture. I put this picture back because look at the ends. That was not working for me. All of the blonde hair ended up getting cut off. Okay, I literally end up doing a big chop. So I recently found somebody in New Jersey who blows the hair out, cut the ends, get the shape going, and then put it in the curly style. And so that is someone that I would definitely be trying for myself. So if you get the curly cuts, I would encourage everybody to get your hair blown out, look and see how your hair is. See if curly cuts are for you. They weren't for me. They didn't work out for me. Again, it had nothing to do with the products, but it may work for you. But please, if you have split ends, no matter what they say, if you wear your hair curly, straight, however, get the split ends off your head, okay? It's going to do you a great service when you go to wash it, to detangle it, to style it. You're not going to be struggling like I was for quite a bit of time before I realized, like, hey, curly cuts don't work for me. Okay, so I encourage everybody, like, listen to your hair. Even though who you're going to, they say they're professionals, and they are, but listen to your hair. Your hair will tell you if something works or it doesn't work. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, check the status of your hair, okay?